use lynda.com for free, you first have to navigate to the Bozeman Library website. First, open a web browser. Go ahead and enter our website address. That's www.bozemanlibrary.org, and press the Enter key. And then find eLibrary in the main navigation. Hover over that, and right below that, you'll see Learning, and below that, lynda.com. Go ahead and click that link. That will take you to our lynda.com landing page. And click Start Learning Today. A new browser tab should open. And go ahead and enter your library card number. Be sure to enter your entire 14-digit number with no spaces. Now go ahead and enter your library card PIN. This is the same PIN you use to access your library account. If you don't know what your PIN is, it may still be the default value, which is Change Me, without a space between change and me, and all lowercase letters. And click Login. You'll notice in the upper right hand corner it says, "Hi Jason." That's me, so I know that I'm in. Now you're ready to start learning.